Hey guys, gizmoddict here, and today I'm gonna show you some cool accessories for the Realme X2. So in case you guys are planning to buy this phone, well, I've got you covered. So basically we are checking out the real curved tempered glass as well as the matte hybrid case from my friends over at GlazedInc.com. You guys must have heard about their curved glasses, but recently they are also launching this matte hybrid case for majority of the new smartphones, so we're gonna check that out. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And if you guys don't want to miss out such videos in the future, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. On that note, let me get started. So the Realme X2, like other Realme phones, also comes with a plastic protector that is pre-installed on it. But the problem with that screen protector is that it's of a very cheap quality and you will scratch it within 3 to 4 days of using the phone. So then the question is, what tempered glass should you get for your phone? Because tempered glass is a necessity. If you're gonna use your phone without it, you're gonna have a lot of minor scratches on your phone. So I have been using the glazed real curve tempered glass since the last 1 year on majority of my smartphones. I have been using the same glass on my Realme XT ever since I've received it, and that is what I recommend for the Realme X2 as well. This glass is priced at 450 rupees. So the basic question that you guys would ask me is, why should I spend 450 rupees on a tempered glass? Well, let me explain. To make this comparison clear, what I did was that I installed the glazed real curved glass on one of my phones, and on the other one I installed the generic tempered glass that you get for 200-300 rupees on Amazon. So here if I want to point out the difference, you can see that the glazed real curved glass has actual 2.5D curved edges. So if you see the corners, if you see the edges, all of these are curved and the edge of the glass goes right up to the edge of the display. So it provides you a proper protection. So even if you were to drop your phone at any of the angles, your screen will not break. On the other hand, if you see this ordinary glass, you don't have curved edges. The edges are flat, they are sharp, and they don't extend completely to the display. They end just a little bit before the edges of the phone. So if you were to drop your phone on the edge, the chances of the display breaking are quite high. And as you can see the black borders also, I'll agree that this black border is an issue on all of the glasses. Even on the glazed glass, you do get a bit of a black border. But then if you compare it to the ordinary glass, the black border is actually less on the glazed real curved glass. I'm showing you the PUBG screenshot right now on both of the phones, and as you can see, especially around the bottom, around the curved region, the generic glass does have quite a bit more thicker borders in comparison to the glazed glass. So yes, both of the glasses have black borders, but then the glazed ones are thinner and they will give you a little bit more view of the display. And apart from that, if I talk about some other things, here the touch experience is very good. The glass is made out of really high quality materials. So compared to any other glass, the touch experience, the look and feel of it is going to be much better than the cheaper glasses. And as you can see, it looks really good on the phone. The cutouts are laid out perfectly well for the camera, the proximity sensor. Because the glass is curved, it blends in with the phone very well, and at a distance you cannot even figure out if there is a tempered glass or not. And it works very well with the in-display fingerprint sensor as well. So no issues with that, and overall the glass looks and feels very well. Installation of this glass is also very easy. I have a video on how to install a tempered glass, so go watch that video. After watching that, you will be easily able to install the glass on your phone. Apart from that, if I talk about the case compatibility, yes, this glass is compatible with majority of the cases. It works with the case that Realme supplies in the box. And talking about the case actually, now let's talk about the matte hybrid case that I have on my Realme X2. So this case will work with Realme X2 or with the Realme XT, and the guys at GlazedInc are launching it for a lot of other phones like the Realme X2 Pro, the Redmi Note 8 Pro, the Redmi K20, K20 Pro, and so on. Talking about the Realme X2 case, as you can see, it's gonna be available in 5 colors. So you've got white, black, red, dark green, and dark blue. And the unique part about this case is that the volume buttons and the power button have a different color in any of the combination. So on the white variant, you've got the orange buttons. On the blue variant, you've got a yellowish green button. And honestly, it looks very funky. On the back, you've got this smoked matte finish. So on all of the other variants, you get this dark black matte finish on the back, whereas on the white variant, you've got a white matte finish. And honestly, this looks really well on the Realme XT and the Realme X2. This case is made out of very high quality materials, so it feels really nice in the hand. It feels very smooth to touch, and overall the fit and finish is very premium. And if I talk about the buttons as well, you've got tactile buttons, so the feel and feedback is very good. You can easily locate the buttons, and the tactile feedback, like I said, is very good with the case. I really love the layout of the buttons on it. And if I talk about some other cutouts as well, so the layout for the quad camera, for the microphones, for the USB Type-C port, for the headphone jack, for the loudspeaker, everything is laid out perfectly well. And in terms of fit and finish, I've got zero complaints with this case. And it is also a shockproof case, so even if you were to drop your phone will not get damaged. Trust me, I've dropped my phone twice or thrice and have got no damages on my Realme X2. So yeah, the matte hybrid case has recently become my favorite. I'm also using it on my Realme X2 Pro. And I think for around 450 rupees, this is a really nice accessory to have. Two major things that I liked about this case is how it feels in the hand. Trust me, it does feel very nice in the hand. And apart from that, I love the design and the tactile feedback of these buttons. So if you want to buy the glass and the case, actually the glass is costing 450 rupees and the case is also costing 450 rupees. So the total is 900, but if you buy them both together, you can get it for 765 rupees. So yeah, the guys at GlazedInc have an offer going on. If you buy the glass and the case combo, you will only pay 765 rupees. And I think that's a pretty good deal. Considering you're spending 16 to 20,000 rupees on a phone, you can spend around 750 rupees and protect your phone completely from any sort of damages. If you have the pearl white variant of the Realme X2, I would recommend you to go with the white case, but for any other variants, you can go with any other colors. I really love the white case on my white Realme X2. So overall, I feel that both of these are very good accessories for the Realme X2 and for the Realme XT. Do note that they are launching this for Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Realme X2 Pro as well. So all of the links are given in the video's description, and don't forget to use the promo code GIZMO so that you can avail the 10% discount. If you have any further queries about these products, please let me know in the comments, or you can also ask on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I will be back in the notifications very soon. Peace.